Yaffe here, Paul Yaffe Originals. Today we are playing with the Lowrider ST, the latest new Softail offering from Harley-Davidson. And right now what I'm focusing on is the rear fender. This is our fixed rear fender. The fender that came on this bike was shorter, it didn't match the bags, had a big old ugly tail light on it and a big stick-up license plate holder. It just looks like an afterthought. I don't get what they were thinking, right? And some big, huge mouse ear turn signals on it. So we make this direct bolt-on, super light, super strong composite fender right next door in our composite factory, and we offer it in several different versions. Every fixed fender is a direct bolt-on. Every fixed fender comes with this super sleek, really custom-looking Stealth 2 license frame, and it has hidden LEDs inside the frame that light the license plate, which I'll turn on and show you in a minute. We make this fender smooth with no lights if you have an idea for custom lights that you may want to do something different. We also offer it with these that are our Thunderbolt lights. These are flush mount, super bright laser LED lights, and we offer them in this configuration, which we call a split tail, and I'm going to show you in a second how they look. And then we also put an extra set of our bag lights. We sell this as a kit that drills into the, all you do is drill a hole and bolt them on. Of course, these come pre-drilled when you order the fixed fender. If you order a bag light kit, you have to drill 2 holes and bolt them in and then just wire them up. Are you ready? Here it comes. So there is your running lights. They're so bright, but that's just your running lights, and you can see the LED light in the license frame. Now I'm gonna hurt you. There's your brake lights. And what's really cool about the new Thunderbolts is they're incredibly bright, but they also have an amber turn signal function, which we love. And again, when these cease, when the turn signal cycle stops, it goes back to being your red running lights. So super cool, super custom looking, several options you can choose. I think we also make this fender with a row of lightning bolts that you can get too. Just go up online and check it out at baggernation.com. Search the fixed fenders. This is the version for the Lowrider ST. Thanks for watching.